We'll start with that spreading. So big toe, middle toe separate. Now just for a breath or two. And then second and third toes spread apart. Moving on down the line. All right. Bringing the four smaller toes towards you with your left hand as you press your big toe away from you with your right. Release that second toe, press it away along with the big toe as the other three come towards you. Until eventually you're pressing all five toes away from you. Releasing, if you can, cross your left foot over your right leg. Right fingers in between those toes. And do what you can to really press your fingers as far down between the toes as you can. And then let your right hand guide that left ankle into some circles.